you look at the pound Aussie, this is continuing in the downtrend. It is technically, again, compared to the pound, technically compared to the Australian, it is quite weak. It is trading a real, like you can see, the chart is trading near all-time low. We do not have any trend change to the upside, so technically our bias is still to the downside. But if you look at this chart, this thing sold off from 163 somewhere. It came off 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips in the span of less than 2 weeks. This is quite an exaggerated move, and not exaggerated, I mean a big move, if you will. And in order for us to continue on the same bias, we have to take it short below the 152.78. Anything, as long as it doesn't break the 152.78, I need to be careful. So my short point is going to be the 172, the 152.78, and this here is my closest structure. And that is 151.38. So this means, and you can see it on the chart, this is your short sell. This is exactly your short sell. If it breaks below the 152.78, you're going to take it short. It should travel down to test the 151.38, and if it breaks the 151.38, this is going to be your next target right there. That will be the low that it should test it. Okay, so that is our short sell. Now when it comes to our buying point, there is no technical reason to buy it off the daily chart, so I'm going to go to the intraday and I'm going to try to find a place to buy it. And sadly enough, there is no reason for us to buy it unless it trades above the 138, the 153.85. So there is no reason that happened when the trace got disconnected from the. So we're going to buy it above the 153.85. So this is our buying point. We're going to sell it below 152.787, and our structure short is going to be the 151.380, and if I buy it above 153.85, my stop is going to be below the market side, which is 153.40. And if I go short below 152.78, my stop is going to be right there, the 152.78, but give it a few pips. I mean, that's it, because this is a big range day, so if it breaks it below it, you're going to take it short and you're going to use it as a short side, as a stop. And on the long side, our structural long point is, the next one is the 159.64, which is so way far away from here. So basically, if we look at the radar screen, the pound Aussie, we're going to go long above 153.85. We have a structure point above it, which is like 600 pips above that, so it should give us a good move. And that's the one that I think was going to happen. That's going to be the snapback. The guys that are short, they are trying to cover their short, so we might get really a good decent move in the pound Aussie. On the short side, we're going to go short below the 152.78. That's going to be our short point and our stop, and we have a structure point at 151.38, which is about 200 pips below that. Okay, that is the pound Aussie.